In this video, I want to show you how to download MODIS land surface temperature data and visualize it in GIS software. So to download this data, open your browser and open a new tab. Then search for earthexplorer.usgs.gov and hit the enter key. So when it opens the page, just like this, come under search criteria and then choose the geocoder method. So I want to choose address and places. Then make sure you are logged in to your account. Then come here and search for any place, let's say Abuja, and click on show. In few seconds it will bring the place. Scroll down, you can see it here, Abuja. Click on it and it will put a place mark on that very location. Now to download the data, come to data range or date range and select your starting and end dates. So I have selected my starting and end dates. Then click on dataset. Then come to vegetation monitoring. Click to expand it. Scroll down and come to these options called MODIS Global LST Volume 6. So click to check it. Then scroll down a bit and come to the option called results. Click on results. So in few seconds it will search for the available data for the LST. Yes, you can see available data for the date range we selected, and here you can see the beginning date and end dates. So to download this data, click on the download option. In few seconds it will load the download option. Yes, you can see the download option and you can see the size. So to download it, click on this option called download. So as you click on it, automatically the download will start. Then I can close this page. After downloading, we can now go and visualize the data in any GIS software. So let's get that done. After downloading, here is the file for the land surface temperature data. So the next thing to do is to extract it, and to do that, just right click and click on extract here. Yes, the extraction is completed. Now let's visualize it in GIS software. Let's open ArcGIS, and then to do that or to visualize it, click on add data. You can navigate to that very folder. This is it, LST. So here are the files. So I'll click to select it and click on add. So it will take some time to create parameter for each of the TIF file. Yes, here is the land surface temperature for the whole world as downloaded. Now we can see that there are various files here with different value. Now we can change the color ramp. For instance, this first one, let's change the color ramp, let's say to this color. Let's invert it and say okay. So let me uncheck this. Now if you look at this data, let me change this color and click on OK. So if you look at this color and the value, what is your opinion, especially about the resolution of this data? Do you think the resolution of this data is fine? What do you think about the resolutions and the data in general, especially for research? So let's know your view or your comments in the comment section. Do you think the resolution is fine for research purpose? Let's hear your view. But this is how to download the land surface temperature data for free from USGS. Thank you for watching.